Hi, Miss Kelton. I figured it would be easier if I recorded a video of leading it step by step as compared to writing you out directions. So I'm going to go to my MNPS folder, and then I'm going to go into Schoology, or you can go however you would like to, but this is the screen you want to get to, and then I'm going to go up to Groups, and you should have joined one that said Student Services 2020. If you didn't, then that probably means you didn't actually do the training, but that's okay. We can do that in another video. So once I click on it, it is a couple of clicks to get to where you want to go, but I'm going to go over to the left where it says Resources, and then I'm going to choose the bottom one that says Student Services Training Support and Resources. And then also at the bottom, you'll notice these two, the blue and the yellow folder, are the ones that say Required. These are the two trainings we had to do. So I'm going to first go to this Mental Health 101. And when I click on this link, you might have seen this survey. You have to do the survey, but if you've already watched the video, then there's no reason to watch the video again. Just fill out the survey like you would have done. There's the video. And then here, yada, yada, yada. And then when you press next, it's going to be angry at me and not let me do it. But that's where you fill out like your name and your employee ID number. And then I'm going to press that little X up here if it will let me. I know I have my camera going. Oh, it won't let me. So anyways, I'm going to go back to where it says Student Services 2020 up here at the top. It's back in that groups folder. I'm going to go back a page, and I'm going to go to the one that says Trauma-Informed Practices. And after you watch it and you see these things, I'm going to click at the bottom where it says that link, and it will open up, and it's pretty much the exact same thing as the one before. You have to click on it. They've not made this easy. And then you'll fill out that same type of thing before. But if you've already done the work, don't watch them again. Just fill out these two forms. So let me know if you have any other questions, and hope this helps.